When you are vacuuming with an Allaway central vacuum cleaner, the air stays fresh. There is no smell from the dust bag, no floating dust particles in the air. Vacuuming is also very quiet. The only sound of the powerful suction is the hiss of the airflow in the nozzle. A flexible suction hose follows you easily from room to room. You may listen to your favorite music or talk in a normal voice. The central unit can be located in a utility room or a storage room, unheard and away from the rooms to be cleaned. Allaway is the most popular central vacuum cleaner in Europe. Obtaining new market areas is a strong indication of competitive ability, competence and in-depth understanding of customers' needs. The factory, located in Finland, uses modern technology in research and development, as well as in design and product testing. The features of the central vacuum cleaning system will fulfill even the most demanding requirements of a domestic or professional user. Decades of experience in developing suction pipes ensures that the Allaway pipe system has excellent flow properties. We are proud to say that it is one of the best in the world. With a wide range of products, you will find a solution for every need you have. According to ISO quality standard, the products are tested before they leave the factory. Allaway is devoted to its quality policy, which ensures a high-class and long-lasting vacuum system for customers. We provide an uncompromising professional customer service worldwide. The convenience of the Allaway central vacuum cleaner is already obvious when switching the system on, as well as in the design of the cleaning set. The advanced design of the premium series, combined with ergonomic, user-friendly solutions, extends the lifetime of the product and makes cleaning more convenient and enjoyable. Solutions for making vacuuming easier are, amongst others, the dust bag set and the patented catchers in the wall inlet, preventing larger objects from entering the pipe system. You can choose from different starting mechanisms: a wall inlet start, a handle start, or even a sound start. The proper installation of the system is the key issue for trouble-free operation of the system as designed. A lot of instructions and hints are given in 3D video clips, in instruction manuals, or by our personal assistants. Allaway central vacuuming system, for your health.